Hi, my name is Kathy Clark, and I'm a lawyer in Northern California, and I'm in the Taos Tilburg PhD program, just getting ready to defend my dissertation. And my interest is something called collaborative law in situations that traditionally involve medical malpractice, but taking a step back from medical malpractice. The collaborative law is a non-adversarial, respectful process in which everyone comes together to have conversations and talk about what went wrong and talk about helping the patient and helping the physicians and the healthcare providers all go through something of a healing in a compassionate process that helps everyone heal and move forward. And it can involve compensation. It doesn't have to involve compensation, but it's an alternative to traditional litigation processes, which I'm sure you've all heard enough about lawyers to know that sometimes we put on a suit of armor and go to battle, and that's what litigation's about, and this process is not like that. Part of the process that I've been working on for my dissertation is I've been doing dialogues, bringing together attorneys on both sides of the fence, plaintiffs and defense attorneys, as well as various healthcare providers, including physicians, nurses, and medical ethicists, insurance company representatives, risk managers from hospitals, and patients. And sometimes patient advocates, and we hope to enlarge the circle and bring more people into it. And what I've been doing in these dialogues is trying to bring these various professions and groups of people together to have conversations about how we can take the opportunity when there's been some kind of mistake in a medical situation and bring people together who don't traditionally work together, such as physicians and attorneys, and have a conversation and be able to work through patient safety related issues and kind of the traditional adversarial processes, and form something of a team among all these various factions through dialogue and through coming up with new ideas on how to build community and how to bring healing to all parties. And I've had I've held a couple of dialogues formulating this process, and hope to continue doing this sort of thing going forward with hopefully some of the same group, and then expanding the group and perhaps bringing in the courts and bringing in various state medical boards that are responsible for taking physicians' licenses, suspending physicians, all these kind of unpleasant processes that follow after medical error. So my dissertation is done, and it involves these dialogue processes, and then will hopefully involve collaborative law at some point, and bring healing to the various stakeholders who take part in this process, including the healthcare providers and the patients.